circular पड़े हाँ तो this is only step one of threatening the opposition. Opposition म्हणते तेंक सोसना आज असेंब्लीन चोयल आसतलो काब्राल आनी कुगोडकर उलयताय इवन कोलाचे म्हणटा ऑब्जेक्शन रेज करताय आमी ते विसरतात तेंगले मेंबर ते गेले म्हण कोल ऑपोज करपाक गेले कोण कालू सामेदा गेला लिना गेल्या म्हाका दिसता समवेर some mental imbalance is there in the ruling party. Something is going wrong. This is the attitude of the ruling party. And it's circular worker and kai lagna theka. It is only black dadagiri. It's only the beginning.
Do you think so? CM is setting a wrong precedent. We're asking the officers not to go in the office.
CM has always set wrong precedents. He has always been instrumental in setting wrong precedents, like the precedents of arresting people, of threatening oppositions. He always is the main person who has always done it. Thank Viranti like health party te Potranche san Terranche Paule ni, we Sanchez san Terranche Paule, but Terranche san so be power to Viranti hate. BJP government is in an extreme hurry to bring the 6th casino in the Mandavi. Breaking all rules and trying to bring it within these 3 days. The malignant intention is, we don't know whether it is by-elections, by-election or panchayat election. But here comes Aloha. This is going to be done and at the rate and at pace which is unbelievable. They have given it to Gopal Kanda. Gopal Kanda under the Gambling Act is very clear that you can't have a person who is fugitive or rather who is a person who has been charged under law or rather a lawbreaker to give a casino. They have broken all rules to see that casino has been given to him. Subvented everything. Court amka even in the house assurance dilole. Manal Parrikar, Chief Minister, he upon Anyan casino adapana Manduvin. In spite of that, Kotan Tekospa Lawan. He has been told to go to court, get reprieve there. In that reprieve, there was nothing mentioned that you give the license.
They just asked.
They have just asked to see the application. All setting. The BJP government who called the Congress chores, the Congress robbers and all this. I want to ask the BJP what to call them. From U-turns it has become V-turns. And from V-turns it will go to what I don't know. And where is the Goinkar port? Now CM made a statement that 6 months I'll give a solution to the casinos. And damn big hurry to put the 6th casino. This they want to do. This government which calls itself government, transparent government, calls his government a good government. He's been speaking in the house that I am completely, my government is in such a good form that I am paid all my liabilities, that there is no liability. I don't know why the hurry. Anyway, we oppose. I am opposing this casino, that 6th casino in the Mandavi. We have been opposing. I right from the beginning have opposed.